Hello friends, I hope that Gift of Chappals text is very clear to you guys, and today we are going to discuss question answers of that chapter. So let us start. So the very first question is, describe the music teacher as seen from the window. So we remember in the text we saw the music teacher, his back was toward the window but we could still see him. So we saw that the music teacher was old and he was bald headed. And he was wearing a golden bordered dhoti with a gold chain in his neck. He was wearing an old tuft and a diamond ring in his finger. So this was the appearance of the music teacher. Other than that, he was, using his foot to tap on the floor. He was doing this. This is what we could see from the window. Let us move to the next question. Now the next question says, what makes Mridu conclude that the beggar has no money to buy chappals? So this is something that Mridu concluded. What made Mridu conclude this? So the blisters on the feet of the beggar were pink. They were very pink and the feet was bare. He was barefooted. So his bare feet showed that, made Mridu conclude that he had no money for the slippers or the chappals. What does she suggest to show her concern? Now she was very concerned to see the beggar with the blisters. She was feeling very bad. To show the concern, she asked like Ravi and everybody that if they could find an old pair of chappals and give it to the beggar so that they could help the beggar. That was her concern, and she suggested to look for an old pair. Now moving on to the next question, which says that, have you children? She began, and then seeing they were curiously quiet, went on more slowly, seen anyone lurking around the veranda? Now these were the lines of Rukmani. So the first question is, what do you think Rukmani really wanted to ask? Rukmani actually wanted to ask about the chappals. What have you done with the chappals? Now the next question is, why did she change her question? She changed the question because she saw that the children were sitting very quietly. That's when she changed the question. Now the next question is, what did she think had happened? She thought that the children must be playing around and they have hidden the chappals. This was going in her head that time. So let's move on to the next question. Now the next question says that on getting Gopu Mama's chappal, the music teacher tried not to look too happy. Why? So now we see in the text that when the music teacher got the chappals, he was very happy. Like from inside, he was very happy. Just imagine that you've lost an old pair of something and you've got received a new pair of chappals instead of those old and worn out chappals. He was very happy with that. But he was trying not to show in the face that I was very happy. Why? Because he had lied. He had lied that he had a pair of new chappals. He lied to everyone. So he was trying to be just sad and angry at the children. He was trying to maintain those expressions. But from inside, he was very happy. Okay. The next question is, on getting a gift of chappals, the beggar vanished in a minute. Why was he in such a hurry to leave? Now we see when he got the chappals, the beggar got a pair of chappals. In a minute you will see that he was no longer there and he vanished somewhere. Like in the text also it is written that he was vanished. You could see the beggar nowhere. Now what was the reason he vanished? Now the beggar knew that the children have given those chappals to him without taking the permission from anybody. So if anybody comes to know, like Rukmani or somebody from the house comes to know, they will come back and take the chappals. So from that point of view, the beggar did not stop. He did not wait a minute and he just vanished with the chappals. Ki usko koi aake rok na le. That was in his mind. Okay, so let's move on to our last question, which says, walking towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, Rukmani began to laugh. What made her laugh? By the end of the chapter, we also discussed this in our text that Rukmani started laughing suddenly. Now the reason behind her laughter was, she was in her mind thinking that when Gopu Mama will arrive, and right when he arrives, he is in a habit of removing his shoes, wearing his chappals, and when he look for his chappals, what is she going to tell to him? She will tell that I have given your chappals to the music master. So this was a thought in her mind. So this thought made her laugh at that time. So I hope that these question answers are clear to you guys. We'll be meeting in our next video. Till then, take care.